heartbreak tonight at a Hollywood hospital, a vigil for a nurse who died after coming down with COVID-19.
Co-workers tell us that she was infected because she didn't have the proper safety equipment. KCAL9's Tom Waite has a reaction tonight from nurses and the hospital.
A solemn scene outside Hollywood Presbyterian Medical Center. Nurses and other hospital staff came together to remember Celia Marcos, a beloved veteran nurse here at the hospital who died after contracting COVID-19. Her colleagues say she was infected as she treated a patient. They say she was not provided the right personal protective equipment.
Celia was called to a coding patient who was infected with COVID-19. She was there for 45 minutes to an hour tending to that patient. The hospital gave her a surgical mask, the paper mask that some of you are wearing today. She should have been wearing an N95 respirator.
Marcos' son attended this evening's vigil. He did not speak, but another nurse read some of his words.
It means a lot to me and my family that you are here tonight to remember my mom. I drove down from San Francisco just to be with you. I know my mom really cared for her colleagues and loved being a resource for everyone in her unit.
Nurses here at the hospital also offered these reassuring words.
And even though you were not able to be with her at the time of her passing, all of us were there with her, and she was never alone.
For its part, the hospital says they are heartbroken by what happened, and they say they are providing PPE to its nurses and staff. Hollywood Presbyterian released a statement that reads in part, "We have been and will continue to provide all staff at CHA Hollywood Presbyterian Medical Center with the appropriate level of PPE that is required per existing CDC guidelines. HPMC is using the COVID-19 infection prevention and control recommendations that have been published by the LA County Department of Health and the CDC.
There's not enough protections, there's not enough PPE. It's what we need to obtain, it's what we're working towards.
And these nurses say they will keep fighting to get what they need and to keep Marcos' memory alive. In Hollywood, Tom Waite, KCAL 9 News.